Hi everybody, Alvaro here. Look, I want to talk about something today regarding LiveGood because the majority of people think about LiveGood as a product company. I want you to think about LiveGood in a different way. Look, LiveGood is not about selling greens or selling CBD oils or anti-inflammatory. Now, we are selling the top quality products at the best prices anywhere else in the world. So what LiveGood really is, it's not even a health company. That might surprise you. It's not about being a network marketing company. You know what LiveGood is? LiveGood is a discount store, just like Costco, but far, far better because the prices are far, far better. Let me tell you something that some people don't know about it. At the moment, people know that LiveGood has health products that are amazing, but what they don't know is that LiveGood is going to come up with around 200 products very, very soon. And it's not going to be just in the health and wellness industry. I understand, looking at some of the company videos, that they're going to have also products for the household, which that could be huge by itself and make the company just go, well, just beyond our wildest imagination. So don't think about LiveGood as a product company that sells greens and CBD oils. No, it is a membership type business. Okay, we are riding the trends of memberships, as I said in other videos, just like Amazon, Netflix, and Costco's. The all network marketing MLM world is dying. Their sales are declining. Yes, some people are doing very well. Yes, some companies are still doing well, but the old ways of network marketing are gone. Are gone. The days of selling overpriced products are gonna be gone later or sooner. Once people get caught up with the idea that LiveGood offers not just amazing products, just like many network marketing companies out there, they are offering amazing products, but the price, people can't afford the prices over the long term. See, some companies might sell you a shake, a protein, or whatever they're selling you, but they're so expensive. You know, they're selling you something for $80 that only costs about $10 to produce, or even less. And these people can only afford to pay $70, $80, $100 every month for so long. Most people can't afford to take these products for a very long time, so they quit after 2 or 3 months. With LiveGood, it's different. When you get people purchasing products, because of the price point, they can keep on doing it over and over and over again forever. So you get a customer, that customer could be buying from you forever, simply because they won't be able to find the same quality product any cheaper anywhere else. But think about it. If we are, and I'm speculating now, okay, because I don't know, but if we are moving from just selling health products to household products, all I'm thinking is cleaning products for the house, toothpaste, anything and everything that you will need for your home, which other companies actually do. But remember, the philosophy of LiveGood is to offer the best quality products at the best possible price. So I'm guessing these essential products that we need on a day-to-day basis are gonna come out on LiveGood, and we're gonna be able, as distributors and our customers outside the network, purchase products that they will normally purchase in their local grocery store, in the Walmart, or whatever place people go and purchase. How about purchasing them from their own company and getting paid a commission for it? All right. In our company, we don't get paid a commission; we get a discount, right, as being a member. That can take the company, if we were thinking about this company being 1 million members by the end of 2023, this could take the company to millions and millions very, very soon. That's my big picture of this company. Again, this is not about health products. This is just the beginning. Just like Amazon, when Amazon started selling books, right? Now what they're selling? They're selling everything. It's a marketplace. LiveGood, it's a marketplace. It's becoming a marketplace. And it's going to be a place where people are going to go because they're going to be unbeatable. That's their motto. That's what they're going to do. That's what they're doing. They have already revolutionized the MLM industry in only 4.5 months, almost 5 months now. right? We've got a guy that's gonna make $100,000 this month in LiveGood. Hear me out. 100,000? Yes, that's not typical because it depends on work ethics and experience. Obviously, this guy has experience, had a team behind him, but that goes to show that a $10 business like LiveGood, this is the $10 business, can produce amazing results if you are prepared to work for it. Now, if you take it as a hobby, you're gonna get a hobby check. If you take it as a professional business, if you take it professionally, if you take it seriously, you're gonna get a professional check. But you gotta put the effort. You got to put the effort. I am that serious about LiveGood. This is my main focus nowadays, and it's the most exciting business I've been part of in the last 25 years. I have seen a lot of things. You know, if you're watching this video right now, you might have experience with other networks, or maybe not. Maybe you're starting. I'm telling you, if you're starting in the affiliate marketing world, if you're trying to make money online for the first time, you are in, I was gonna say a word, you are in luck, because this is the business, right? We're unbeatable. And LiveGood, take away the thought that it's network marketing or a health company. It isn't. It's a discount company. They're gonna revolutionize, and it's gonna go mainstream eventually. It will go mainstream just like Amazon. Now picture this, if you had started with Amazon back in the day, if you had invested on Amazon when they started, you will be very rich right now. You have the exact same opportunity with LiveGood. We are just getting started. The question is, are you going to get started, or are you going to keep watching videos, wandering around and wasting your time with other crypto scams, any other business out there where you're making absolutely peanuts every single month trying to sell overpriced products? Think about it, okay? And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.